Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily lengthen or shorten any music clip in DaVinci Resolve Studio. Normally, you'd have to listen through the entire song, find where the beat starts and ends, copy and paste sections manually, and then line everything up just to extend your audio. But the good news is you don't have to do any of that anymore in the DaVinci Resolve Studio version. Unfortunately, you still have to extend your music manually in the free version, but in the studio version, you can do this automatically. All you need to do is click on your audio clip in the timeline, then head over to the inspector window, and then to the audio tab. Under AI Music Editor, make sure it's enabled. In this section, you can either manually type in the exact length you want your music to be, or you can adjust it directly on the timeline. For example, looking at my timeline here, my project is almost 2 minutes long, and I just want this music to continue playing until the end of the video. I don't know the exact amount of time I need, and that's totally fine. Instead of guessing, I can simply use the live trim option. Once you enable live trim, all you have to do is drag the audio clip longer or shorter. What DaVinci Resolve does in the background is really smart. It analyzes the music, looks at the beats and different sections of the song, and then automatically duplicates and rearranges those sections to extend the track naturally. That means you don't need to do any complex audio editing or manual cutting just to make your music fit your video. It saves a ton of time. Once Resolve finishes analyzing the clip, you'll notice these zigzag lines in the audio waveform. These show you exactly where the cuts and extensions have been made. If you want to double-check everything, you can jump to those points and play the audio back to make sure it sounds smooth and natural. One important thing to mention here is that once you're done extending or shortening your music, you should go back to the Audio tab and turn off live trim. If you leave it enabled, every time you drag the audio clip, it's going to keep adjusting the length automatically, and you won't always want that. So that's how you can quickly and easily extend or shorten music in DaVinci Resolve using the AI Music Editor. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.